This is the 19-piece lockpick set from protectionsupplies.net. There are 12 lockpicks that come with the set. This one here, though, is a double-ended, very small one for finer locks. The Allen wrench, or Allen key, for the handle, which I personally don't use. There are 2 standard torsion wrenches, and then this double-ended torsion wrench, as well as this pretty nice case for considering the price, where you can put all the picks on one side. And then the handle can go there, as well as torsion wrenches and the Allen key. And they all fit in there nicely. And it zips up to a nice, compact, pocketable unit.